Have you ever created a state machine in Godot's AnimationTree, but your hit animation keeps looping forever, even though the animation itself is not set to loop? This is a very common issue when working with AnimationTree conditions in a state machine. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it happens and the super easy fix. In my project, I have a 2D enemy that uses an AnimationTree state machine with 3 animations: idle, hit, dead. I created a transition from idle to hit, and it uses a condition parameter called hit. Whenever the enemy gets hit, I set this parameter to true in my script. Then I created a transition from hit back to idle and set the switch mode to at end, so after the animation finishes, it should automatically return to idle. Sounds correct, right? But when I play the game, something weird happens. When the enemy gets hit, the hit animation keeps looping forever, even though the animation itself is not looping. Let's look closer to the script. When the hurtbox area detected player's attack, I set AnimationTree is hit variable to true. So why is this happening? The reason is simple. The hit condition is still true, and because the transition from idle hit is controlled by that condition, the state machine keeps entering the hit state again and again. So the animation finishes, goes back to idle, but immediately jumps back to hit. That's why it looks like the animation is looping. To fix this, we simply need to reset the hit condition back to false after triggering the animation. Then add a short delay, depending on your logic. This ensures the condition only triggers once. So the state machine will idle, hit, idle, and it will not retrigger continuously. So if your AnimationTree animation keeps looping, even though looping is disabled, check your transition conditions. Most of the time, the issue is simply that the condition was never reset. Small fix, big headache solved. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more Godot game dev tips and quick fixes.